Hello everybody, this is Moses from ZAATARGARDENS Gardens. I'm here right now pruning the 4-in-1. This is the apricot, nectarine, plum, and peach. Looks pretty good. 6.5 feet tall, mostly, and then thinned out a lot. Right here you can see it. I also came to this all-in-one almond, which will be the topic of this video, and I'm pruning it, cleaning out all the dead wood and crossing branches. It's not much. I did a lot of summer pruning on this tree, so in the winter I won't have to do much because I'm trying to control a certain leaf-footed beetle or leaf-footed bug that keeps attacking the almonds when they're young. But something I'm noticing, and I have noticed, is that we haven't had a frost here in Central California, Zone 9B, and I'm pruning it, and there's still leaves on it, which is not uncommon. But what is uncommon is when I'm noticing that there is buds starting to swell. It's going to flower soon, as you can see. The white tips right over here. The white tip of the bud. So I've never had leaves on the almond and bud swelling at the same time. That's pretty incredible. And scary. So I hope we don't get another late frost. So let me know in the comments section below how your January is going where you're living. I love to hear it. I know that most of you are in snow, and especially Washington got hit pretty hard, and we'll be getting a lot of snow coming up this week. Happy gardening, everyone.
Hello everyone. So like, share, subscribe. And bye everyone. I can't remember.